Do you know what's in your milk? Oftentimes there can be lots of unsavory things in our milk. So go ahead, make it at home. You can use seeds or nuts and make delicious milk for anything, like these almond milk. It's so refreshing and nobody can tell the difference. Just put some almonds in a jar. Sprout them by adding some water. And you know they're ready in about 12 to 24 hours when you can pinch off the skin. Then you know the almond is fully sprouted. Then you can strain the water out of your almonds and put it in a blender with fresh water. Put as much water as you like as to the consistency of the milk, whether you want it thick or not, and blend away. It's that easy. Then we need to get all of the pulp out. Almonds tend to be a little pulpy, so go ahead and strain it out. Now these digest much better when they're sprouted, but of course if you're in a pinch, you can use almonds that aren't sprouted and then squeeze it out and save the pulp for cheese or crackers and pour it into a jar. Your family will never know the difference. And enjoy a glass of that refreshing milk. Hemp seeds are a great option to make a milk out of for on top of your cereal or just for drinking. Go ahead and add some hemp seeds and water to your blender and do a shake. It's so fun. It's so easy to make these milks. Pour it in a container and enjoy a glass. Easy and delicious. Cheers! How about some pecan creamer? Coffee and tea creamer that's good for you with just pecans and water. Pour it in, blend it up, keep it nice and thick because we want it to be a nice thick creamer. And it will give you that nice pecan added taste inside of your coffee or tea. See how easy, and now you know what's in your milk. Now remember to subscribe, and I loves you.